Welcome to JiffyWiz, where we make magic. My name is Andy Sharp, and today we have a special guest.
Billy.
Hey, that worked really well. Yeah. We're going to do another unboxing video, this time with the Wizarding World loot crate. So we'll find out. All right, let's get started. And reminder, in our loot crate, we immediately use whatever we pull out. So we're going to pull out one by one. We'll see. See what we get. If you're new to this channel, think about subscribing. Hit that little bell if you want reminders. We do new videos every single Monday. All right, you get to pull out the first. Oh God! Don't let them peeking. What? You can't peek. Okay. Oh, you get the T-shirt this time. Okay, the first one is What? Okay, let's figure this out. What is it? What do you think it is?
I mean, it's obviously a Slytherin.
You think it's a Slytherin? Well, I got the Gryffindor box, which is why I was initially confused. But
and it's a snake.
It is a snake. It's green. It looks like a woman, right? Is that a woman? First impressions of this T-shirt.
Honest.
Yeah.
Okay.
Honest.
Well, I don't know what it is. I don't think anyone would know it was a Harry Potter thing.
All right, I agree with you. It doesn't immediately scream Harry Potter. Oh, I think I figured it out. I think it's Nagini.
Oh,
I think it's Nagini, and this is her human form, and she's the snake inside of her.
Over time, she will not be able to transform back. She will be forever trapped in the body of a snake.
Okay, so you get to put it on. Ready? Okay, go. Ah! You did it.
yay.
Okay, next item. Some box. Okay, I got this box. It looks like it is a Kelpie mug. Where's the head at? Oh, that's the head. Let's see. It doesn't at all look like algae. On the bottom it says, "Watch your fingers," because the Kelpie bit. What was the name of that girl that was, that lady that was Newt's helper downstairs in the basement?
I told you to leave the Kelpie to me.
That wound needs more ointment.
I don't want you losing fingers over it. You bite Bunty again, and there'll be trouble, mister.
All right, that was a Kelpie mug with some crystal light.
Oh my God.
This is the only thing we had. All right, your turn. You peeker? Did you peek?
Never.
You did! Billy has gotten a baby niffler. Are they magnets? A baby niffler.
Oh my God, what are they?
Oh, they're like little stress ball things. Oh, these are so cute. Like you're like immediately smash the niffler. Okay, so the stress ball. Does it say stress ball? It doesn't say. Oh, baby niffler squishy set. So of course, to use the squishy set, you squish them.
Squash.
No, it's a squish set, not a squash set.
Mash.
In the South, they say mash the button, not push the button, like on the elevator. So I guess instead of saying squish the niffler, you say squash the niffler.
Yeah, why not? I like squish.
All right, squish them.
Son of a
next item up for... Oh, this might be it.
So there's a couple of things in there.
Ooh. Okay, the next item is a French ministry print. Go ahead and open it up here. Oh, okay. It is the Ministry of Magic, the French Ministry of Magic, kind of their emblem. And it's like a little aluminum print. Like, it's got, what's that called? Embossed. It is a little bent. You can see that.
Yeah.
It's a little bent. It's dented.
Is it embossed or embossed?
Embossed, embossed. Oh, okay. It's fine. It's a little dented, but that's okay. Yeah, it's cool. I guess we'll put it on the wall.
Yeah.
Okay. That was the ministry print. Your turn.
I think there's only one thing left.
That's it? Okay.
It's a pen.
Oh, it's another pen, everybody. It's another pen. Ended with the pen again.
You don't even know what it is, though.
Huh? Open it up. You can do a reveal. Like a woo. It is a... Go. Open it. It's a Madagot. Is that not how you say it?
It's one of those little pussy cats.
Well, don't say it like that. What's a... how do you pronounce it? Is it French? Is it like Matagot?
Margot?
Matagot. God, we're ignorant. Okay. It's the cat. It's the cat from Fantastic Beasts: Crimes of Grindelwald, where they...
In the library.
They're in the, like, the...
It wasn't library, was it?
I don't know. It was like a records.
What kind of cats are those?
These aren't cats. They're Matago. They're spirit familiars. They guard the ministry. But they won't hurt you unless you...
Supervise!
Unless you attack them.
You want to put it on? You want to put it on me? You got the last one.
It's not like they're going to know because you never showed the video.
I did.
You uploaded the video?
Yes.
Okay, how many hits did it get?
It's only got 100 hits.
Only? That's pretty damn good, isn't it?
For my channel. For my channel it is, yeah. Ow.
Because there's another one.
I was like, it's stabby. It's protecting. Okay.
They should have made it with blue eyes.
Oh yeah, because I had like glowing blue eyes. All right, what's the theme of this box? Let's put it all back together. Okay, it seems like this box's theme is the crimes of Grindelwald.
Where did you guess that at?
Well, all these things are from the last movie.
And it has it right there.
All right, everybody, that was the unboxing for the Wizarding World Harry Potter for the month of April/May.
Okay.
I think it came in April. Just haven't opened it yet.
That's true.
Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, think about subscribing. We have some subscriber giveaways. And Wizards Unite is just about to be released. So check out my video, Beginner's Guide to Wizards Unite. Thanks for watching. We almost missed the coolest part of this box. This crate was called The Beasts Within, celebrating the small screen release of Fantastic Beasts: The Crimes of Grindelwald. Number 2 was the Maledictus t-shirt. The feline spirit from the French folklore uses security. The Matagot. Alright, thanks for watching.